Hey guys, what's up? It's Liv with Liv Outdoors. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the Manistee River and we're doing a 4-day long kayak camping trip along the river. We're going to fish along the way. Maybe you'll see some catch and cook. We got the boys gearing up right now.
Look at that.
Getting everybody out in the water, ready to go. Got our kayaks loaded down. Hopefully we'll catch some fish for you and do some little catch and cooks, and you'll see a little bit of camp life, and hopefully we make it back in 4 days. About 36 miles, I think, full trip. So we will see you out on the water.
Anything for the camera?
Gonna catch the biggest one. I'm a Scooby-Doo.
Oh yeah, old Scooby. Guess we'll see you out there.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
All right, boys, first stop. How we feeling so far?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Hungry.
We had a couple of little snags, a few incidences.
First fish of the day. Hubby caught it. Nice smallie.
There we go.
Cameras weren't recording, obviously. First
I got it from way back.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Don't know how much you could see. I was paddling in front of it.
We might eat this guy, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Give it a shot.
That's dinner, boys.
All right. We each get a fin.
I just want a lick.
Just a lick?
I
Ooh, fish tacos?
Fish. I hate their fish responsibility.
Put them in your thermos.
Nice catch.
It's a good thing your kayak was right there, otherwise that fish would have been swimming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just saturate the photo so it's not red.
Yeah, make it white.
Yeah, cut them slowly. I want them to feel it.
Fish don't have
I'll
feelings.
mute it.
God, he's tough.
Just pain.
What happened to fish or friends?
I'm gonna fillet up this little smallie, see if it tastes good for dinner tonight.
I wouldn't be able to flay a fish.
Oh, we look bored. Are we boring you?
It's a little muddy over here. It was a beach. They wanted a beach. I found a beach. Cut and go.
Cotton. That's great. The problem's gonna be rinsing the cooler off in this mud.
Second catch of the day, I got me a nice grass bass. She's hooked down there good too.
I said I look dead.
Why?
Because I'm not yet alive. Well guys, we made it to camp for the night. Welcome to our home. Got our hammock set up. Got Zach and Sam, they just cooked us up some bass. How's it taste, guys?
It's actually good.
It's actually really good.
First ever
First time.
smallmouth bass. It's pretty good, isn't mushy?
No, it's
No,
not.
it's flaky.
It's actually golden crispy.
Golden crispy, we like golden crispies. Got Clay over there cooking some rice to go with our fish. We also have some trout we're gonna eat. I believe both brown trout.
You guys want tortillas?
Oh yeah.
Taste for the camera.
Some lemon juice.
Do I get a taste?
It's hot.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Yeah, that's burning my fingers. Can you just like rip me a piece? It's a little hot.
Mine's not cooked.
Not bad.
For just
Pretty
Little-
flaky.
for a little batter and oil.
Yeah. Pretty good. I think we're gonna eat up some dinner here and hang out and call it a night. If you want to see our finished product, there it is. Morning, guys.
Dead quiet.
It is officially day 2. We're out here cooking some breakfast burritos on the fire, making some nice instant coffee. We even got creamer out here. Thanks for that, Sam. Packing up camp, got all our hammocks down, tents down. We got a lot of stuff here that we gotta pack back into our kayaks.
Forgot to show him the trout yesterday.
I did forget to show him the trout yesterday.
We'll catch more.
Here's our yummy burritos. A couple of them might be burnt, but the other ones are still frozen, so that's good. Those are really burnt, guys.
Yep. Hard to regulate the heat on fire.
How's the coffee taste?
Good.
I just gotta use my pan under boil some water.
Espresso, actually.
I'm gonna get some coffee, and we will see you guys in a little bit when we are back out on the water to start off day 2.
Yeah, that is good. Good one. Toby's on. Toby's on.
I gotta see this. It's gotta be print.
Good trout. Good trout. Yeah, you need the stringer. Oh, your line's all tangled. Oh no. It went back in the water. Wait, right there. Is it? No way if you get him. Did you get him? Got one.
We're hooked up. If I can get there.
There's a good pullover spot here, at least for down.
Oh yeah, there is a pullover. I got mine going too.
I casted it right in that cold water where that creek was coming in.
Brown?
Yep.
Nice.
Don't throw them in the water.
I won't.
Dinner.
Toby.
Oh yeah. About the
You
same
see him?
size.
Nice.
I do want to measure him though.
Do you want a picture?
Ooh, almost 16.
Oh gosh. I don't have a good way to lay him down.
Use your paddle.
I'm going to call him 14 and a half with a pinch tail.
Well, it feels
Got
like
it.
good for you guys.
I just want to fish.
That's over to your right. You're actually a better spot than I am. You're too close.
There's one. Little one. It's so little.
Still a catch. That's awesome though.
There he is.
5 inches or so, isn't he?
Yeah. I caught a fish. Woohoo! We've got a few browns. We had a 15, and then I got like a little 5-incher.
15 and a 5-incher today, and then yesterday we had a 10 and 11. And then a smallmouth. What are you fishing with?
Little,
Net spinner.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm using. I had a little one, maybe like 7 inches, come out of the water yesterday, but I haven't got any nibbles since.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. That's what's up. Yeah, it's moving pretty fast, huh? All the way down? I'll be pissed if the water moves pretty fast all down.
Yeah, actually this is a pretty quick spot right here. It's slower up that way. Yeah.
We sure are.
Yeah, we're camping for 4 days. Getting some yard work done, are we? Yeah, it's got a bite right there.
I'm snagged.
Man, I got a bite right behind the I was gonna try and push you, but I'm just gonna turn you and it's gonna make it worse.
I got it.
You good? In the water? Yeah, we're definitely looking for it. Oh, jeez. Can I set my camera? Oh, man.
Material?
Wool?
Or like polyester? Or no? The insulation stuff.
Wool.
No, like house insulation. I don't remember what it's called.
That was a monster. What was that?
I don't know. It was big.
Big fish though.
It was massive.
Toby almost fell out.
I was trying to get up that. And that's what I thought you walked up.
Alrighty folks, we have made it to camp for night 2. I will walk around and show you guys our setup. We got a nice view here. Got our yaks sitting down by the river, right up close on this little cliff here. Got our hammocks set up over here. The little trio of hammocks. Nice little fire pit going.
No, I'll grab that.
What are you guys doing?
Cutting firewood.
Sweet. How's your new saw work?
Good, but it's still hard.
Oh.
It's better with chainsaw. It's pretty hot.
Well, what are you gonna bring a chainsaw on a kayak?
We are literally pinched between the
I don't
literally
think that fits.
dripping sweat.
It's okay. I think I am too. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh,
Just on time lapse.
no it's not. Good thing Sam's in the back peeing in that one.
Oh, good.
What are you guys doing?
Trying to figure out where those campers came from. Campers?
We can share the woods, right?
You can't hear them?
I wasn't listening.
Now that we're all sweaty from setting up camp, I think we're gonna go take a little bath in the river.
Bath time.
How's it feel? Is it a little chilly?
Where's that guy with the Eric?
What do we got?
Got our baked potatoes with steak and cheese. Got some hot dogs cooking. Got our baked beans over there.
Bush beans.
Oh, what's in here?
Nice.
What are you making us for dinner?
Tacos.
What kind of tacos?
Normal tacos? I don't know.
We're ready to eat.
I'll grab some of this.
Got our trout here that we're getting ready to cook on the fire. What do we got in there, Sam?
We got onion salt, garlic salt, and honey mustard.
And butter.
And about a half a stick of butter.
Gotta have butter.
Could probably just take those 2 logs and flatten them out, make a little grill.
What's that?
Okay, fish. Right, this one sanitized it a little bit. Pan. Washed it.
But
Oh wait, I have a beer in there. Anybody need a cold beer?
you want to read?
There's 2 in there.
I'm only drink one of them though, and then I drink the tea after that.
Careful, it's the butter that's hot.
How we looking?
Yeah,
The skin's peeling, so
I think it's probably good.
what do you think?
Try a little fight. Oh, it is very hot. Careful in there.
Is it good?
I think it's done. Yeah, it's good.
Blueberry cream ale.
I used less seasoning this time, but it's still good.
Well, it's mine, but it's this kind you told me about.
Oh, yeah.
Want
Try
half
it
of
raw.
it?
Oh, that's fine. Good stuff.
I don't want really
Pretty
want
dang good.
the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a cup, I guess.
Mm.
A little bite.
I was gonna.
Might be
I
a
was
bone
gonna
in there.
drink
Hold on.
twisted tea.
Let me get the.
Oh, yeah, the spine out.
My bad. I looked away as you started going.
Very cool.
I'll make it taste good.
There's a lick it later. I want to bring more of those.
I'm gonna feel good. It's good.
Mm-mm. I think it's because it's big.
Get out of there!
Just want to try it.
Nice.
Deboned.
Good.
Get a bite.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Dinner's up.
No, I think it was because it was bigger.
Oh, it's a big piece.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap on day 2, guys. We're gonna get after this trout for dinner. Is it hot? We're gonna get after this trout for dinner, fill up, and then probably play some euchre and go to bed. We got a full day of paddling and fishing tomorrow. Hopefully we catch some more trout and do have dinner for the 3rd night. That would be nice since we brought minimal food, but we will see you guys in the morning.
That side. He grabbed the freaking cooler.
Right, the part says lighter.
Well, that's the second time. Me and Toby came down here to fill water,
He was checking
and
it.
our cooler was floating along with the oil.
That's what me and Clay heard when we were at the fire, because we came down here and checked what fell in the water.